I am one of those people that cannot stand to see a picture that is crooked on the wall. And you see, I have two. This one here and this one here. And it's not like anybody runs up to them and adjusts them or puts them off kilter. They just somehow become uneven, and it's driving me crazy. So what I decided to do was, just going to try this, see if it works. I have here some double-sided tape, sticky tape. So what I'm going to do is take a small piece, cut it. It's not very large. And remove the sticky backing, and now I'm hoping you can see this. So I have my level, and I'm not sure that you can see that, but it is not level. So I'm going to level it like that, hold it, and on the bottom I'm placing that sticky. We'll have to level it again. And press it to the wall on the bottom. Let's hope that works. And boring, but I'm going to do it again on the larger picture. Remove the sticky backing again. This time I'll move over here. Whoops, that's definitely not level. Let's put a piece of sticky on the bottom here, and then I will level it up like this and press the bottom to the wall. And let's hope that works. And if I go to your house and I see a picture that's crooked, I'll be fixing it also.